I've created a playful version of a model explaining my theory of acknowledgement with the help of Peter Sandman. Over here are a few circumstances I've created that a company, organization, or agency can experience. A mixture of one, two, or all travel through here and enter into this cute little robot to convey the process of responding. After a response, the event or events then exit through here, ending in results. So some of the circumstances begin with pre-crisis. Weakness or fault occurs. Your organization, company, or agency experiences a fault and must decide how to reduce the possibility of the event turning into a crisis. Fear. We are human, and it may be hard to acknowledge our weaknesses or faults. There is a fear that citizens could disapprove, or already do, an activist who could oppose, and a fear of losing your job or damaging the company. Outrage is high. The bad news is public. Citizens are disapproving, activists are opposing, journalists are painting the company in a negative light, stakeholders are losing trust in the company, and they are all waiting to hear what you have to say. So then we begin response. It is very important to acknowledge that there is a problem, firstly. Acknowledge how the problem occurred. Acknowledge possible bad news and address this to your publics, which is ultimately cost-free, even though at first it can seem very scary. You must also acknowledge the need to talk to, explain to, and listen to the publics. Also acknowledge uncertainty and explain that it is different than total ignorance to your publics. For example, saying, here's what we know, what we think, and here's where we're unsure. It is also important to explain how the company is going to take action in reducing the problem. So, results. Being honest, even when not confronted, being present, and listening to others are important rules that we should follow for every relationship, whether client, employee, or even personal relations like family and friends. When you are present and acknowledge your faults, are honest about them to others, and listen when they are upset, you can do no wrong, and your publics will be grateful for your communication and will gain and maintain their trust in you.